So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about green power share. So previously, when you've done the technical analysis, we have seen what are the important supports and targets. So today, as discussed in previous video, many stocks which were having continuous upper circuits, we have seen a little bit of profit booking followed by lower circuits. So we'll try to find out what are the immediate regions where we can buy this particular stock. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most importantly, do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide a link in the description followed by comment section. Okay. So first, let us try to discuss about green power on weekly chart time frame. So if you clearly observe the weekly chart, we have seen a big wick has been formed at the top because of the selling pressure from the upside direction. So already we have seen the stock has given a very good up move in the recent times, and many stocks today we have seen the lower circuits. As I told, the one of the major reason is the Nifty's upside move. So the operators have started shifting that funds into the large caps followed by mid caps. So what happened in these penny stocks? So little bit of panic situation was generated and the operators have tried to trap the retailers. So this particular correction is always temporary correction because it is baseless, right? So there is no major reason for the downfall. So when all the stocks are coming down, then again they will go upside in the same way as they have come down. So that is the basic principle that you need to employ. So as I told, still few days are left for this particular week to close. So if it does that correction, so then we need to observe the near term levels around 25 or below 25 rupees level. So this is on weekly chart. So let's go to daily chart. So there we'll see the elaborate levels. Okay, so if you observe the daily chart clearly, we have seen almost 4 days the stock has given continuous opening. So there itself we need to assume that in the coming days at any point of time the circuit may get opened, because when continuously upper circuit stock is getting opened means little bit of profit booking may happen at any point of time. But as I told, this is a stock only for long term, so we should not talk about the temporary corrections and removing temporary profits. So if we discuss about the near term levels, so first zone would be the same 22.50 rupees level. So that is going to be very important, and then we'll have the 20 rupees level as an important zone where we can expect on or before the stock will reverse. So even tomorrow also it may do that, we can't justify that. So even if it continues that correction, so keep these levels as near term support regions where you can average. Okay, so first one would be around 22.50 and second one would be around 20 rupees. So that much correction obviously we can't expect also, because if you do little bit of back testing, the stock prior downtrend was somewhere around 3 to 4 days. So maximum we can't expect more than 3 to 4 days correction. So if it is doing that, so keep these levels in radar and stay updated in the Telegram group. So once the stock is retracing, I'll mention clearly in the Telegram group what can be done. So link is in the description, so do join there, and any further queries you can ask in the comment section. And if you are not yet connected with me in Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.